Alright, December 27th, 2 days after Christmas, and I just went and bought some new hard drives. They are Seagate Barracuda 7200.10 250GB 16MB buffer, serial 8A interface, as you can see. Not sure how I'm going to run these drives. I was thinking RAID 0 at first, but I don't really feel like going through the hassle of doing all that. I have a 160GB Western Digital over here that I'm going to use for my OS, which is Windows XP Professional 32-bit. And I guess one of these will be for games and the other will be for pictures and movies, since I have so many of those. And this 160 is pretty much full of just pictures and movies and all kinds of other crap. So yeah, another update later, see what happens once I get these installed.